Hello, this is the library lady here at Craigsville here with another great book for you. One that we just got in this week called 7 Little Ducklings. In the dark, quiet night, when the pond's all at rest, a plump mother duck is asleep on her nest. So dark is the night, so deeply she sleeps, she can't hear the soft crack. She can't hear the soft peep. One egg hatches, and then another. 7 little ducklings are up before mother. They don't want to wake her, so each duckling child shakes off its shell and steps into the wild. Mama wakes up. When the first cardinal sings, she sits up and yawns and stretches her wings. Quack, 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 quack! My baby, she yells. She looks around frantically. Nothing but shells. My poor 7 babies, they're not in the nest. But look, there's the first one. Where are the rest? She finds child number 2 trapped up on a limb and coaxes him down, saying, all ducks can swim. From the jaws of a fox, she saves child number 3. The 4th duck is stuck in the roots of a tree. 3 more small babies are pulled from the ooze. She plucks one from a dive, then counts them, confused. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait. There are too many babies. I shouldn't have 8. Close by in the water, she hears a small squeak. She scoops up a wee flailing babe in her beak. She nestles him safely atop her soft back. Now the rest of you swim, she commands with a quack. 9 duckies like us swim neatly in line. Then she says to herself, I appear to have 9. One more little ducky, and then she has 10. After finding 2 more, Mama counts them again. Look, see if all of these are duckies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's get this straight. 5 more children than eggs? They can't all be mine. Then she looks at their faces and knows that it's fine. Look, there they all are. Come along now, my babies. Come home to our nest. Crickets are chirping. We all need our rest. All 13 are gathered safe under her wings. Look. Look at all those babies. Can you find which ones belong to her? And they all go to sleep when the whippoorwill sings. The end. I love that one. I hope you enjoyed it too, and I will see you next time. Come back in and see me in the library. Goodbye.